Current trends show people are cautious when selecting baby products like food, cosmetics, or safety items. I know this is very, very tricky. If you're planning to dropship baby products, make sure build a credibility brand that customers trust. Remember, you if you find a product that you want to sell, it will be a short-lived product because remember these people will be buying once, twice, three times, and then the baby grows and the baby doesn't need probably the products anymore. So you constantly need inflow of new customers with babies at the same age. You know this is how the whole plan should work. If you could look it down, this is a list of all the baby items that are in demand, and this is again internal suggestions from Shopify. I haven't had any experience with baby products. In my opinion, this is pretty particular, I would say, risky, and it's hard to run ads for baby products. In my opinion, how we gonna get a baby, to show the product, how the product works. You might find a mother, but again, I think it's not as easy as it sounds.
So once we're over here, let's say I'm going to go ahead with a few products like this.